I've got a bit of a vibrating noise depending on the RPM of my car. So I've got a 2014 Nissan Frontier. It's a second gen truck, and so I'm going to show you the sound and then I'm going to show you the issue. If you're having any kind of buzzing or vibrating noise, hopefully this will help you. So first I'm going to turn on the car just so you can hear what I'm hearing. So. And then if we can get it to the right RPM, hear that. Alright, so now I'm gonna get under the car and show you what I found. Okay, so now once you're under your truck, here we've got the front of mine. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a mallet or some kind of tapping tool, and then you're just gonna start tapping around the truck and listening for vibrations. I already know where mine's coming from. It's coming from my exhaust, which is right here. So if we tap it, hear that rattling, and it's this heat shield right here. And it's supposed to have these little clamps on it, but my truck is older, so those clamps have rusted, and so this heat shield is loose. And so to fix that, you want to get a hose clamp. And so I've got some smaller ones from Home Depot right here. Let's see if I can get you the size. So it's a 1/13 to 2 3/4. I've already fixed it on one side of my truck right here. Now I'm going to do this side. Make sure you get something that's stainless steel just so it won't rust through. This is definitely a temporary fix, but it should make that rattle go away for you. So I'm going to put it on and then show you what the truck sounds like afterwards. Alright, so I finished putting that on, tightened it up over the band that was already there. I had a few of the bands just fall off on the other side, but this one just decided to tighten over it. Let's see if that fixed our noise. So, turn on the car. And we'll give it a few revs. And we don't have any buzzing or rattling going on. So hopefully that's helpful to somebody out there, and good luck.